Evening, guys. We've got Max on either side. If you can raise your hands, let us know you want to ask a question. We'll come to as many of you as possible. We'll set an embargo towards the end for 10:30 on Sunday. Jamie, please.
Hi, Pep. Rodri has said that, given how you defended in the first half, you didn't really deserve more than what you got. Is that fair enough? He was sort of saying you basically didn't defend very well.
Sorry.
Rodri has said just now that, given how City, your team, defended in the first half, you didn't deserve sort of more than you got because you didn't defend particularly good. Is that fair?
We don't perform our level in the first half, and when we play teams that composer and prestigious like Chelsea, you have to perform 94, 95 minutes at your best. We start to play after I concede a goal, like make, what happened here, and we were not in our best, and yeah, it can happen, the transitions, when you are in your best, you concede transitions, and it happened, but after we react like we are, and we create a lot. Of course, they had the 1 or 2 transitions for the quality because had the ability to keep the ball and grab a good runners up front. And yeah, the result is that. So
he also said that he'd never been involved in a match with so many VAR decisions that you were not given. Do you agree?
Which one?
Well, Rodri just said that. He said there was so many VAR decisions of which we, meaning City, were not given. So he wasn't happy with that.
I don't know. If you tell me specifically the decisions, I can tell you, but I don't know what you mean. Which ones?
Well, just generally. I mean,
I can tell you which ones. Which ones? We have to perform. We have to perform better in the first half. So we have to go there.
Hands, please, guys. Yeah.
Erling had 9 shots on target.
That's good.
Scored a goal, first time that's ever happened in his City career. And at the end, he shoved a camera down. Can you understand his frustration at the end?
That good is he had not.
Didn't see the camera thing, but can you understand Erling's
Which frustration?
from missing chances? He had 9 shots on goal, but
Yeah, that's good. The good is had 9 shots, and next game is going to score. So, listen, I was a football player. I played 11 years. I scored 11 goals. What the stats, eh? 1 goal a season. This is my stats. So I'm not the proper man to give advices about the striker what they had to do. So we create the chances. He had the chances, and I'm not saying to say next game is going to score. I don't blame that.
you don't
So,
blame.
absolutely. So it's football, it's human beings. It's just to, as a team, as a group, the first half was not like we are, and the demanding is so high, and because no one is going to give us, we have to do everything. Always happened in the previous season is going to happen. So we're Man City, so we have to do it for ourselves all the time, always. The day one has said that. Don't expect, and we have to improve the first half. We have to improve. The second half was unbelievable. How we played, and of course they make a transitions because it happened, but in general was really, really good. After the goal was the concede from Raheem was really, really good.
Just one more from me. Right at the end, do you think it was a penalty? VAR check, right at the end.
Which one?
A handball, Colwell.
Which one? This one or the Kai Walker? I don't know. Which one?
The one in the Chelsea box.
Okay. I didn't see it.
Fred at the back, please.
Fair enough, thank you.
Fair enough. Yeah,
Pep.
right.
Yeah, on the back, sorry. Yes,
Yeah.
over here.
Yeah. Sorry.
Yeah. Is Akanji playing in Stone's role the way you wanted him to play? Is it a project in development?
We can do it. I played performance against Liverpool. Yeah, one really good. First half was our dynamic was not proper. We didn't bring the ball in the spaces that they were and more active. And we saw it's not necessary to be a manager to realize the change after just concede the goal from Raheem, how we react, and the second half. And of course we cannot play maybe 90 minutes in that rhythm. But as a manager, I just had to be focused in the first half and to be better. And yeah, I'm choosing to have another chance to, another game to try to do it.
Jonathan?
How important was it to come away though with at least a draw on a day when you did miss chances, you weren't at your best, but you did come through with a draw? How important was that?
The way we play, we deserve to win, yes or yes. The first half was tight, they have a chance in transition, we had 2 or 3 clears too. But the second half, or the last 10 minutes, 5-10 minutes, first half, the second half was really, really good, the way we played, and we did everything, and sometimes it happened, we were close, and always they have chances in transition, but I could not expect differently when I saw the game against Aston Villa or the game against, which was the last one I played against Crystal Palace. So it's Chelsea, you know, Chelsea Football Club. So I know they are so young, everything, okay, but they are a fantastic team. So it can happen, and for that team you have to perform 94, 95 minutes. It was not complete. Saying that it's happened for a amount of games. We play to win, so no doubt about that. The chance that we had, we deserve it.
Finish with Sam before the embargo.
Hi Pep, you mentioned the first half and not starting well. Is there a particular reason you've got for that? Was it a tactical thing? Was it a
For
mental
sure.
thing?
Yeah, maybe it's tactical, you're right. Maybe it's tactical. No, it's in general. When you play performing like this, always there are many reasons, not just one. It was Anwil busy. It's many reasons that also we can say that Chelsea played really good, not just, you know, it depends on us, but it's try to all the time see ourselves, we can do better.